nothing you haven't seen, for that matter, is comparable to him. So there's nothing like him. He is unique, absolutely. Now, when it comes to his cabinet, you know what you call the avatars or avatars, okay?
No,
We call the cabinet,
devatas, demigods.
yeah,
Avtaras is
yeah,
himself.
yeah. Those
Devtas.
demigods, those demigods, we believe in Islam that instead of worshipping demigods, we need to worship the ultimate creator, the
Same
supreme
Bhagavad Gita.
power,
Bhagavad Gita says
and
that those who are small-minded, materialistic, those who want prosperity in this world, they worship the demigods. But
ah,
ultimately, what is
okay.
surrender unto me? Krishna says that
Fantastic.
you
Yeah.
give up all varieties of so-called religion, and
So
surrender to me. So same thing.
yeah, so this is it. Our God, the creator, whom we call Allah, is asking us to surrender to
So
him instead of
yeah,
surrendering
but surrender
instead of
to
surrendering
surrender
to
to that
angels.
impersonal. No, surrender to that impersonal God or to that
Yeah.
personal God.
No,
That we
no,
have to
okay.
solve
So
the problem.
no. So,
You
That
see,
so
solve,
you
let's
see,
let's
those,
re- let's rewind. Let's rewind very quickly. So
If I could just
yeah.
ask you a question, right? When you are using
yeah,
the word
please.
personal, right? Because I'm a
Yeah.
little bit confused by semantics here. Are you referring to the form of the god, right? Are you referring to
Yes, yes.
anthropomorphism?
Spiritual
So for
form of
example,
God, not
does
the
the god have
bodily
a
form.
hand? Does the god have a nose?
Yes, yes.
Does the god have eyes?
Even in
So
Hadith,
that
like Hadith, I heard that there are two hands of right hand of Allah. So if there are two right side hand, that means there must be two left hand also, isn't it? So Paramatma
okay,
description is there, like there are
let's
four hands like that.
first of all, the primary source, whenever you're referring to something, you have to refer to the primary source for the facts about it. So
Exactly.
for us,
Yeah.
the primary source is the Quran. So in Quran,
Sure.
the main definition in dictionary definition is described as a formal and precise statement about something. So if I say, right, that formal description of a human being is a primate, you know which is which walks on 2 feet and is able to has a large cranium, so it gives you a precise description, a definition of it. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives a definition about himself. And the primary definition is what is known as Surah Ikhlas, or the surah, or the chapter of attributes. It's very short, it's only a few verses. And as brother Adnan said, the key thing that is stated is that he's incomparable. He's like nothing else. You cannot compare him because he's beyond your comprehension. So let's put it this way, that in this audience, very few of us will fully understand, for example, the string theory or the theory of relativity. It may be beyond our grasp to actually understand that mathematics. Now, here we are referring to, if you believe in a creator who is the only one to whom you surrender, then you are referring to somebody who is literally at a level, where we cannot even comprehend. So we can only use the definition that we have been provided. Similarly, in Quran, right, it refers to in Surah Nur, which literally means light or divine light, and it says Allah is the light of heavens and the earth. And it goes on to elaborate on that. It does not refer to his hands, it does not refer to his feet, it does not refer to his eyes. He is, you know able to hear everyone. Now we know physically that it's impossible. If there are billions of people or billions of things in the stars, literally trillions and even beyond. In fact, the number of heavenly bodies up in universe, we can't even count them. How many galaxies there are. Then we can